So suppose that we have to integrate dx by x cube into 1 plus x power 6 to the power 2 by 3 equals this, then the value of f of x is. So these are the set of problems where you will feel that these questions are very much complicated, because you will not understand that what we should take as z, how we should manipulate these questions. And these are the set of problems where you will feel that your brain is has stopped braining. Okay, so what you have to do under these scenarios, like I'll help you guys first. So suppose that you may feel that sir this is bit complicated. So what we will do, we will be taking 1 plus x power 6 as z. So dz by dx will become 6x power 5. Okay, so after replacements, okay, so suppose that if you will replace each and everything, so you will like feel it is more complicated. Okay, like look at this, the dx will become what? The dx will become dz by 6x power 5 x power 3 z power 2 by 3. Now this thing has become what? X power 8. Okay, so now things will become more ugly. Okay, because of replacement you are not able to get the thing which is integrable easily. Okay, so under these scenarios what we have to do, we will understand under this scenario. Okay, so what we have to do, you have to take maximum thing common from the bracket. So under these kind of situations you have to take maximum thing common, that's it. So x power 3, and then you will take x power 6 common. You know that it will take power 2 by 3, and you will be having 1 by x power 6 plus 1 power 2 by 3. So 3 to 6, so it is x power 4 and 3 7. So it is dx by x power 7 1 by x power 6 plus 1 power 2 by 3. Now suppose that we have taken z as x power minus 6 plus 1. Let's do the differentiation. So dz by dx minus 6 by minus 6 into minus 7, and then integration of that thing is 0, constant is 0. So dz by dx becomes what? Minus of 6 by x power 7. And look at this, you have x power 7. Okay, so can I write minus of dz by 6 equals dx by x power 7? So you can apply the replacements. So minus of 1 by 6 dz by z power 2 by 3. Now look at this, how much things got simplified. Okay, so whenever you will have these kind of situation where we are not able to like feel anything, you should take maximum thing common. Okay, now let's do the final integration. So can I write z power minus of 2 by 3 dz? Now minus of 1 by 6 z power minus of 2 by 3 plus 1 minus of 2 by 3 plus 1 plus integration constant c. Now minus of 1 by 6, it is z power 1 by 3 and then 1 by 3. Okay, plus integration constant c. So 3 2s are 6, so minus of 1 by 2. Now you have to write down answer in terms of x, not in z. So it is 1 by x power 6 plus 1 to the power 1 by 3 plus integration constant 6c. Okay, now look at this, you have to write down the answer. So how we will respond, look at here. So you have to create 1 plus x power 6 to the power 1 by 3. It's okay, take LCM and things are done. So minus of 1 by 2, 1 plus x power 6 power 1 by 3, and then you will be having x square plus c. Okay, they want to find out x times. Okay, so just multiply and divide by x. So you will be having x by x. So this thing will become your function f of x. I hope you got the idea, and whenever you will have these kind of scenarios, you can handle it with more patience. Okay.